drifting today. This has to be my new favorite color. The Devitt 17 coming in clutch. Welcome to today's video, everybody. We're at Mobara circuit for an event that my buddy Rika threw on, and we've got the comp car. This is my first time ever driving the comp car here at Mobara, so I'm really excited. But unfortunately, some bad news happened with Daiki's missile. First of all, the good news. It's here, it's running, it's driving. But the old power steering rack gave out, so luckily I had a spare one, and I had the spare bushes that he needed too. We just finished doing that. So in the next lap, he should be driving. So I'm pretty stoked about that. Something about Daiki and power steering racks, I swear. Daiki, you ready to drive? Yay! Yoo-yoo! Here comes Daiki! Yoo-hoo! Not bad, looking alright so far. We'll see. Something's up. Nani? What's wrong? Got some kind of misfire. The Devitt 17 coming in clutch.
Only just a small bit of tape was needed. Just a small.
There you guys go.
It's half car, half Christmas present.
It literally does look like a Christmas present. Oh man. Let's go, baby!
Oh yeah, that thing doesn't have
No handbrake.
I cannot get over how cold it is today. But it's definitely gonna be a good day. Best thing about having a comp car is you don't need a heater because there's so much heat from all the exhaust along the side of the body with none of the carpet or the sound deadening that just turns this thing into a friggin' hotbox. Alright, let's go, baby! Yoo-yoo! I'm super excited to be driving at Mobara circuit. This is actually the first time I'm driving the normal layout, and it's in the comp car. So I'm excited to learn the proper layout from the locals. It is still so cold outside, and I was hoping it was gonna warm up. It's already like nearly 2 o'clock. There's snowflakes here and there in the wind. The wind chill is insane, and it's colder than it was this morning when I woke up at like 5:30 to get here. So yeah, everyone's just kind of hiding in their cars to stay warm in the heat. But I'm gonna go out and do a few laps in a little bit, and I also want to check out some of the cars that are here at the event, so let's go do that. There's a lot of really cool cars here that we'll check out in a little bit, but this one's probably my favorite. Right in the fields, a 34 drift car. This one is yellow. Absolutely love it. And its owner, right here, this is Rika-chan.
Hello.
She's drifting today. But Rika-san, 車紹介お願いします。She's going to introduce her car to us.
スカイラインの ER34 です。
So it's ER34 Skyline.
はい。馬力は380とか4。
So about 380 to 400 horsepower. Nice. RB25 ですよね。
あ、そうです。RB25 です。
So RB25。アングルなんていうの？ナックル何使ってる？
ナックルはGK テック。
Ah, she's using the GK Tech knuckle kit. いいね。椅子は？
グッドガンさんの。
Ah, the N style.
スタイルコラボの。
Yeah, you're right. Oh, that's really cool. ちょっと、It's very hard to see inside, but very nice. いいですね。Oh, look, a lot of glitter there. Love that. いいね。
身長が小さいからシートポジションが結構前の方で。
Because she's so small, she's got the seat customized to be as far forward as possible. なんでスカイライン取りした欲しい？
スカイラインはあんまり周りに乗ってる人がいなかったからスカイラインにしたけど、多分乗りにくいから。で本当はシルビアの方が乗りやすい。シルビアとかの方が。
Yeah, so she says she likes the Skyline because no one really drifts these anymore, so it's kind of cool. But then also she really thinks that Sylvia's are good too. So このなんていうの色好きですか？
はい、鈴木のスイフトスポーツ
ですよね。
の色。
ああ、いいね。
で外装もGTR の外装に全部板金で貼ってあります。ボンネットもGTR の全部。
あ、そうだね。Z チューンのスタイルね。So she did the whole front end with a GTR style front end with the Z-Tune kit. いいですね。Oh yeah, and it's got the wide body over fenders on as well. いいですね。すごい。
これもカーボンのウィングで。
Ah, and the carbon wing as well.
塗り分けてこっちは黄色に塗ってここだけ塗らずに。
Oh, that's so cool. She really likes that this is carbon, left carbon, and then this is still painted. I think that looks cool too.
ホイールも
あ、ウィールですね。
あんまり履いている人
ですよね。
これからもっと人気になってほしいなっていう。バサラっていう。
あ、バサラね。
はい、はい、でちょっと今後ろ黒で今。
She's got her drift wheels on right now, but she generally likes to match it with the white ones, and they're pretty good wheels, like a budget-friendly wheel. All right, we're gonna check out the engine bay now. Nice, RV25 Neo. That's not bad. Still running a factory radiator. Interesting. Got a 35 coil pack kit though. Otherwise, pretty straightforward. Eh, computer nani desu ka?
Computer link.
Ah, she's running a link. So she has a no power, no airflow meter. That's really cool. It's pretty clean. Got an oil cooler and all that kind of stuff. Breather kit. Super simple. いいですね。
はい、ありがとうございます。
Yeah, yeah. ありがとうございます。
もう古い。
ああ、ですよね。
買ってから8年ぐらい。
Ah, she bought this 8 years ago. Yeah.
ドリフトをやり始めたのはまあ4年前ぐらいから。
Ah, she's just started drifting about 5 years ago. いいね。ターボは純正？
ターボ変わってます。なんだったかな、なんか。
Oh, she did change the turbo. It looks like it's got a HKS actuator on there. Oh yeah, it's some kind of aftermarket one. Not sure.
買った時についてたターボがタービンブローしちゃって、
はい、
急いでなんかすぐ売ってたやつを買ってつけて、ちょっと今それが何だったか忘れちゃった。
After she bought it, the turbo blew and they changed it, but she can't remember exactly which one it was. Interesting. あ、でも大丈夫ね。馬力あるだから大丈夫ね。
結構調子よく。
じゃあ、ありがとうございます。
はい、ありがとうございます。
Thank you so much, Rika. If you guys want to check her out on Instagram, we'll be down in the description. This S13 looks amazing. This is the owner, Tommy Naga-san, and he's going to show us the engine bay. Sheesh! This thing is clean, tubbed, shaved. This is very rare to kind of see in Japan. Absolutely beautiful. Look at this. So clean. He's running a Greddy TD06 with the exhaust manifold, a Cinco exhaust manifold, and a wastegate through the hood. Very nice. Arigatou gozaimasu. Bricks and all. Daiki's 180 here. Got a little bit of bad news on it. Started making some engine noise from the head. At least we hope it's the head. But we decided not to continue trying to drive it today. Hoping it's not rod knock. It does seem like something's wrong with the head, like valve lash or something. We'll look at it later. But it's done for the day. Here comes Rika. We're gonna go for a lap with Mal. Let's go! Well, this is gonna be interesting. 2JZ Smok Mark II. With the battery there, we'll be good. We'll just put our feet there. Everything is fine. Oh, that's an interesting hydro. I haven't seen that before. What is that? Interesting. If it works, it works. So for those of you that may not remember, Mal drives an FD J1 and D1 GP. Oh, this thing feels good. my senpai. He teaches me pretty much everything I need to do and tells me how to do better.
今年頑張って。
Hi, arigatou gozaimasu.
頑張って。
Ganbarimasu. Let's do it. You. My goal this year is to do a lot more driving with Mel because there's so much to learn. Oh yeah, mate. Sick as. Sorry this ain't no GDR, but
Oh, it's fine.
oh man.
If this is the worst thing that happens to me today, it'll still be a good day.
You can see that after going for a few passenger laps with Mel, I'm starting to pick up the line. It is definitely far from perfect, but at least now we kind of know where we need to put the car. Can't wait to come back here and get this even more dialed in. The FDS 15's all loaded up now. I had a lot of fun in this thing. Really enjoying all the suspension changes and starting to feel way more comfortable just throwing this thing in. I've been trying different tire compounds and stuff like that. But the next big change that I want to make on this is sway bars. I'm really excited to experiment with that because this entire time we've had this car with not a single sway bar, so I think it's going to be real good. This is definitely one of my favorite colors that I've ever seen done. Bruce's new paint job looks incredible. Back to his OG colors. I can't wait to see what series he's competing in this year. I think you guys are gonna love it. Man, this R34 GTR V-Spec 2 is beautiful. Big jelly right now. I feel like the K-Van just should not be parked next to it. Oh my gosh, it looks amazing. Sheesh. You know what, I kind of like that. The KTR next to a GTR. Yeah, that should be a poster right there. Same, turbo and all-wheel drive. Don't worry about the other details. Back home now, and I realized I forgot to shoot an outro. Sorry if today's video seemed a little bit all over the place. I was really just enjoying hanging out with my friends and driving and learning a new track and layout that I haven't driven before. A lot to learn and a lot to still perfect, but also I'm really stoked at how comfortable I'm really getting in the FD car, and all the little changes that we've made have just made it feel so much better for me to drive. And I'm really excited about the next few suspension changes to see how that's gonna make things feel. But all of that aside, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one. Don't forget to turn on notifications for all of our content, and I will see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.